Hi everyone, I continue my last video. So in this video we will talk about basic sentence patterns as well, particularly of predicates. So let's start it. Yes, a basic sentence. In basic sentence we talked about some patterns. A basic sentence can be simple, declarative, affirmative, or it can be in the active voice form. In the basic sentence, we talked about intransitive predicate phrase patterns in our last video. Intransitive predicate mean to say in that kind of predicate we can have verbal group or we can have verbal group plus complement. But in transitive predicate phrase patterns, we must have one object with verbal group, or we can have two objects, or with one object we can have complement or adjunct. So to define transitive predicate phrase patterns, we will have to move forward. This is the table. There are some sentences and some rules of transitive predicate phrase patterns. Like first one, verbal group plus object, or we can have adjunct with it. If you look at first sentence, he is playing cricket these days. Here we have verbal group, that is playing, and cricket, it is object. These days, it is adjunct. It is transitive predicate phrase pattern. So in this pattern we can have, like in second sentence, we can have verbal group, like here should do, then your duty, it is object. Here we don't have any adjunct. So in this pattern we can make sentence with adjunct and object, and we can have only object as in this example. So second pattern of transitive predicate phrase patterns is verbal group plus direct object plus indirect object, or it can have adjunct with it. Like I'm teaching you grammar. Here I'm teaching, it is verbal group, grammar, it is direct object, and you, it is indirect object. Its second pattern is he bought her a book. Here we have bought, it is verbal group, a book, it is direct object, and her, it is indirect object. It means we have two objects in this pattern. We move forward. Next one, she left him a broken heart man. Here him, it is object, and left, it is verbal group, and a broken heart man, it is a complement. So we may have complement with object. Next one, left, it is verbal group, same in first sentence, same here in second sentence. Left is verbal group, us, it is object, and complement in the lurch. In the lurch is complement, but after that we have yesterday. So what is yesterday here? That is adjunct. Yesterday is adjunct. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you got something new today and you got the phrase pattern of a basic sentence.